In this video, we'll learn how to do confidence intervals about a population proportion. We're going to use an example from the Fundamentals of Statistics by Michael Sullivan. The point estimate for the population proportion is p hat, which is the number of individuals in the sample with the specified characteristic, or x, divided by n, the sample size. We can compute a confidence interval for p if the sampling distribution of p hat is approximately normal. For it to be approximately normal, we need the following conditions to be met. Our sample size times p hat times 1 minus p hat has to be greater than or equal to 10, and our sample size has to be less than 5% of our population. For example, a study of 74 patients with ulcers was conducted in which they were prescribed 40 milligrams of Pepcid. After 8 weeks, 58% reported ulcer healing. We want to construct a 99% confidence interval for the proportion of patients with ulcers receiving Pepcid who will report ulcer healing. We'll first check to see that the conditions are met. So the first one, n times p hat times 1 minus p hat, that equals 12.54, which is greater than or equal to 10. And secondly, since our population is all people with ulcers, 74 is certainly less than 5% of all the persons with ulcers, so our conditions are met. So to calculate the confidence interval, we're going to use the TI-84 and the 1 PROPZ interval function. On our calculator, we do stat and then tests. We scroll down. We get 1 proportion z interval. Our x is 58. Our n is 74. Our confidence level is 0.99. Then calculate. Our confidence interval is 0.66 to 0.91. So our interpretation, we're 99% confident that the proportion of ulcer sufferers that take Pepcid will report ulcer healing will be between 0.661 and 0.907.